Hi everyone, welcome back. We all know the Google event on the corner with Google new product lineup, but somehow Google Chromecast branded Android TV dongle leaked before the launch event. So leaks comes courtesy of Reddit in form of a hastily recording hands-on video show all angle of retail packaging and Chromecast as well the interface. The anticipated Chromecast branding is strongly present. From the front is branding Chromecast with Google TV, as also this bottom packaging also mention Google Chromecast, which is interesting. The bottom also clearly describe which include your packages, the new Chromecast power cable adapter, the Google Chromecast voice remote, and a triple A batteries. I might be reading a bit too much but it seems there's a sort of simplicity of branding implement. So this is also Chromecast lineup, which is the Google Chromecast, the future of Google product. But the time will be tell. There is a 4K HDR support as well. The Reddit user also show off the real hands-on video of Chromecast as well. So none of the information revealed is new as per, but these are the most detailed real-life video of coming Android TV powered Chromecast the same year. The white color, despite here is a probably the snow colorway, the previous leaked detail like a button and light back or the dongle regular marking are clearly visible. The remote is also fully detailed and showing off its smoothly curved back and individual button, including one of the YouTube and Netflix. Again, nothing new, but there is not render, they are real thing. So yeah, there is another video. The software detail also match what we seen before, showing the dongle running Android 10, not the latest Android 11. On the built-in storage, there is a 4.4 GB in available for use, so do not expect to load things up with cam and media. However, $50 there is a hardly compacting with more space out of device like Nvidia Shield. The cost 3 times as much. The add heavy rumors interface, the redesign promoting showing the certain streaming service is also demonstrated. So these all the information we get so far. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.